Well, I decided to do something with my drills. I'm going to build a drill charging station, if you will. Needed to get this stuff off of the workbench. Be easy to get to. I got a little electric or battery powered cordless screwdriver. So I thought I'd make a charging station. And where I'm going to put that, perfect spot. I had my drill press here, but I moved that to the side. And I think I'll mount the charging station right here. So let's go build that. Well, I'm going to start with cutting the back. Oh, here's the finished drill charging station project. And we're going to start, like I said, we're going to start with cutting the back. Next up is the platform that the batteries will rest on. And I'm going to make a 15-degree cut here so the platform rests at a 75-degree angle to the bottom shelf. And here's the reason for the 15-degree cut on that battery platform. So we have it at a slant here. And I'm using leftover stuff I had, and it already had a lip on it. So that'll work out real nice. We'll cut the sides now. And now I need to make a 75-degree cut on the top of the sides to correspond with the 15-degree cut that I made on the shelf. So here's the side panel I'm talking about with the 75-degree cut. Now just flip it over and we'll make the second side. This is going to be the drill rack holder, and I'm going to attach it to the sides with tongue and dado joinery. So let's go do that. Oh, with a 3/8" rabbet bit in there now. We'll put the rabbets on the edge of our tool shelf. All right, let's see how we did. Nice. So now we have to cut our slots for the drills. Up next is we will cut out the slots that will hold the drills. I'm going to make the slots for the drill 4 inches deep and 1.5 inches wide. So just to mark them, I just ripped a piece of scrap here. And this is where I'll start cutting using a Bosner bit. So they'll be 4 inches deep, 1.5 inches wide. Should give me plenty of room. We'll see. Well, it turns out I didn't have a Bosner bit that was 1.5 inches, but I did have a spade bit. That was 1.5. So we'll go with that. What I'll do is go and drill each one halfway and then flip the board over and do the other half. Okay, that was pretty easy. I don't have a bandsaw, so we'll just do it with this jigsaw. Well, next up will be to put some dados on the underside of my battery platform here to hold the two sides. Well, we'll cut the dado in the bottom of the battery platform now. Okay, let's see how we did. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. On that 15-degree cut I made on the platform and the 75-degree cut I made on this end piece worked out just right. All right, just finished the second dado. Now let's see if it fits, see if I measured right. Look at that. How about that? Great when a plan comes together. Now I'm going to round the corners off on the back plate. And all we do for that is I have a little jig here with a 3/4 inch radius. And we will that like that. Just going to cut off a small corner. Well, I might have mentioned before, but I'm just using scrap pieces of plywood I had around for my drill charging station. And some of this stuff was already finished, if you will, and some wasn't. So I thought I'd put some stain on the stuff that wasn't finished already. It looks alright. Doesn't match too much with that piece I'm not going to do. But we can live with it. And I'll just secure the battery base. Well, to finish off the edge of these plywood pieces, I thought I'd glue on some thin strips of oak. So we'll do that now. I thought on this long section with my slots cut in here, it would be just as easy to put one piece on and then cut the slots out after it's glued on. And I'm going to just put the other portion of the French cleat on the back of this, making sure it's level. Well, there we are. Finished putting on the piece for the French cleat and a couple pieces of block here to keep it even. So let's see. Let's see it go up. Here we go. I also put power strip here for recharging the tools. Not too bad. Let's load it up. Well, there's my drill charging project. Thanks for watching. See you on my next project. Alleviate some of the tear out, we'll put it on the other side. Yeah, I didn't get any tear out here.